Do you want to be able to fix TikTok dark mode is not showing? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix this. But it is very important that you do watch this video until the very end, because if you don't, then maybe this will not work for you, just so you know. So it is very important that you watch this until the end and apply all of these steps for it to work, basically. So the first step is going to be for us to come to our TikTok app and then come to our profile right here, as you can see. So go into your TikTok app, log into your account, and then come to your profile. Now, the first step in here is going to be for us to click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines. Now, as you can see, we get three options in here, which is perfect. But you need to click on the last option in here where it says settings. So click on settings, and then you should be taken here, as you can see. Now what I'm going to do is to scroll down in here until I can see where it says reports a problem, and that is exactly where you need to click. So click on reports a problem. Just going to load here for us, and perfect. Now what we're going to do in here is to just simply scroll all the way down in here and then click on submit a report. Just going to load here, and perfect. As you can see, we should now be taken to this page right here. So basically in here, we're actually able to contact the TikTok customer service directly, and they are the ones that can help us to fix this issue, basically. So now we're going to write exactly like this to their support. I am missing the TikTok dark mode, dark mode option on my account. Please fix this for me. So basically you need to write exactly like this now to them. I am missing the TikTok dark mode option on my account. Please fix this for me. And when you're done, of course, click on submit in here. Then it's going to take about 24 to 48 hours for the TikTok support to see this. And hopefully when they have seen this, then this problem should be fixed for you. So basically this is exactly how to fix this issue. And let me know in the comments below if you maybe have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And I wish you the best day.